Okay. Well, greetings, everyone. I welcome you. My name's Andrew Mia Tembo, and I'm a DLI 2026 student. So, in this lesson for week one, we're going to teach you on how to make a simple home remedy that can be used if you are sick, you're not well, if you have a cough, you have flu, and also it is very important because it boosts the immune system. So come with me. So what we're going to use is lemon, onion. This is white onion, but I prefer if you are red onion is also better, and also some ginger. Then we'll sweeten it with what? Molasses. Okay. So what we usually do, you get a pot, you get the ginger, then you crush it. Yeah, you just cut it in pieces. You cut the ginger in pieces. You cut the ginger in pieces. Yes, you cut the ginger in pieces. Okay. So you cut the ginger. You cut the ginger. Okay. So now, yeah. So and you need to wash these. I washed them already. So maybe just this is enough. Okay. Then after that, you can add you need to peel your onion. Okay. So the onion can be peeled. Okay. So so the onion has been peeled. Even you also cut it. Can move closer. So the onion as well, you cut it in small pieces, in smaller pieces, in smaller pieces. Okay. So yeah, like this. Then so the lemon will be put at the end when this is that, when this is that. Okay. So then we get some warm water. Warm water we put in here. Okay, so as you can see, so maybe just that. Okay, you can pause. Okay, this is what it's there. So the mixture is there. So it's now what it's boiling. Okay, so we wait a bit for it to boil. Then after boiling, then now that's when we can do what we add the lemon. Then ready to go. So then yeah. So as you can see. So as we can see, it's boiling. I think it has boiled enough because we don't need to overboil, because when you overboil it, the essential chemicals, or rather the phytochemicals, they'll die, or rather their structure will change. So just to not less than just 5 minutes, when just it boils. So okay, so that's how we do it. And now we get the lemon. We cut the lemon. Okay, then we squeeze in the lemon. Squeezing. So you don't have to put the lemon before you boil. I mean you have to put it after you've boiled, because if you put it there, it becomes bitter. So you squeeze in the lemon. Okay, squeezing another one. Okay, so yeah, I think we are good to go. Okay, so now let me just get a spoon so that at least I So now we mix it. Okay. So the mixing has been done. So now the way it is, if you can manage, you can take it like this. Wow, it's nice. But to make it more healthy, because if you look at this is molasses. So molasses is very good. Actually, it helps.